Now in exercise 9.3, question number 12. The sum of the first three terms of a GP is 39 by 10 and their product is 1. Find the common ratio and the terms. Let us solve it. It is given that the sum of the first three terms of a GP is 39 by 10 and their product 1. We have three terms. Let these successive terms be chosen as the middle term A, first term A by R, and third term AR. Let the middle term be A and common ratio R. Middle term R and the common ratio, middle term A and common ratio R. Then the first term will be A by R and third term will be A multiplied by R. So we have the equation A by R plus AR is equal to 39 by 10. It can be taken as a common factor on the left. That's A into 1 by R plus 1 plus R is equal to 39 by 10. That is R over 1 plus R square. LCM is taken as R. Here there is no change for 1. 1 must be multiplied by R. Here R must be multiplied by R, that is numerator is 1 plus R square and denominator R. A into 1 plus R square by R is equal to 39 by 10. Now in the question it is given that the product of these three terms is 1. That is A by R into AR is equal to 1. Multiplying them together, A cube is equal to 1, therefore A is equal to 1. See. A into 1 plus R square by R is equal to 39 by 10. We mark it as 1. And by the second part, that is product to be 1, we fix the value of A to be 1. Now this equation 1 can be written as 1 into 1 plus R square by R is equal to 39 by 10. Simplifying 10 into 1 plus R square is equal to 39R. Rearranging 10 into R square, 10 into R plus 10 is equal to 39R. We shall shift this 39R to the left. 10 minus 39, that is minus 29. This is a quadratic equation. And this can be solved by splitting the midterm. The middle term on the left is negative 29R and here the product is positive 100. So we can split negative 29 as the sum of negative 25 and negative 4. Now this negative 29 is split as negative 29 equal to negative 25 plus negative 4. Now grouping these two, 5R is a common factor. Then 10R square divided by 5R is equal to 2R. Here it is minus 5. And grouping these two, we can take minus 2 out. Dividing by minus 2, this is 2R. Here it is minus 5. Now 2R minus 5 is a common factor. Now 2R minus 5, when it is taken as common factor, the first term is divided by 2R minus 5, we get 5R. Second term is divided by 2R minus 5, we get minus 2, equal to 0. Now product of two terms equals 0. Either this must be 0 or this one 0. If 2r minus 5 is 0, it means 2r equals 5 and r is equal to 5 by 2. And if 5r minus 2 equals 0, 5r equals 2 and r is equal to 2 by 5. 2 by 5. In this question, common ratio can be 5 by 2 or 2 by 5. You have chosen the sequence as A by R, AR, and the value of A is found to be 1. Or second term is fixed as 1. Dividing it by 5 by 2, we get 2 by 5. Multiplying it by 5 by 2, we get 5 by 2. So this can be the GP when 5 by 2 is taken as the common ratio. In the other case, if 2 by 5 is the common ratio, then the GP will be 5 by 2, 1 and 2 by 5. How? Second term is 1 by 5. When it is divided by 2 by 5, first term becomes 5 by 2 and the third term will be 2 by 5. Alright.